And the city of Lexington is now reporting 2 new confirmed cases of whooping cough. The health department releasing the latest numbers for the pertussis whooping cough outbreak today. Health officials say the city is now up to 62 confirmed cases reported since April 26th. That includes 2 cases in the last week. Health officials say pertussis is a highly contagious respiratory illness spread by coughing and sneezing. You can learn more about how to spot signs and symptoms on the health department's website.